First off, congratulations, Dylan.
Thank you so much.
So
Maraming
first, we know naman na you started your career with the other network.
Yes.
Then ito, na-pitch itong bagong project. How was it naman? Transitioning from...
Transitioning? Well, syempre, at first it was a bit challenging. But then, yun nga, since they welcome me naman as family, I'm very thankful naman sa bagong network. And I'm very happy and excited to be working on this project, Mission Impossible, Seducing Drake Palma.
And then how was it naman working with, yun, with Robin?
Masaya po silang kasama, as in, para lang kami magtropa, on and off cam, nag-usap kami, nagbabanding kami. Though, once pa lang ako mag-taping eh. So, yun, naabangan ko po yung mga susunod naming taping and for sure magiging masaya.
Ano about yung working relationship mo? Kasi most of them are from Viva and then ikaw from MQuest.
Yes, yun nga eh. At first it was a bit challenging for me kasi syempre matagal na silang magkakilala, magkasama. But then syempre I have to adjust and kailangan makisama. And eventually sobrang, yun nga, as I mentioned kanina sa interview kanina, very very warm, very welcoming. As in lahat sila, kinakamusta nila ako. They didn't let me feel na iba ako sa kanila. And I'm very appreciative of that. Sa lahat po sila ganun. Masaya po ako.
Bernard?
Dylan, so ano first impression mo sa dalawa ni
Robin Angela, kay Angela, nung first time ko siyang na-meet sa photoshoot and video shoot sa Seducing Drake Palma. Ano siya eh, very makulit. And feel ko makaka-vibe ko siya agad kasi mahilig ako sa mga very approachable, very welcoming. So, na-feel ko agad na okay, mag-work, mag-click kami ni Angela based on her personality. Sa Seducing Drake, si Trip Palma kasi, he's a bit, he's very observant. He would rather listen than to speak. And somehow, ganun din ako. May times na I'd rather be quiet or I'd rather listen na lang than just keep on speaking. So, medyo may similarities pagdating sa ganung klaseng personality. Yeah, I'm a photographer. I didn't study, but mahilig po ako magkuha ng mga litrato. Kasi syempre as an artist, kailangan madami kang photos, magaling ka magkumuha ng mga photos. And since nakuha ko rin yung role na to as a photographer, it would be nice for me to learn more the technicalities of taking pictures or videos.
Regarding with the title, what can you say about the word
Seducing, it's very interesting. I haven't seen any title ng movie or series na ganun. So, nakaka-catch yung attention ng mga view. Personally, ako na-catch attention ko nung nalaman ko Seducing Drake Palma. It's very interesting and if I was not a reader or viewer before, mapapabasa ako sa novel. Ay mapapanood din ako ng Seducing Drake Palma.
Ikaw ba may favorite ka na Wattpad series?
Personally, this is my first ever Wattpad series at binasa. And yun, dahil dyan, for sure, mapapabasa na ako ng iba-iba, sunod-sunod na Wattpad series.
So just to ano nga ulit yung character mo sa...
So, hi everyone, I'm Dylan Menor. I'll be playing Trip Marco Palma. Ako po yung pinsan ni Drake Palma, yung lead. And eventually, very kasi akong tao, very supportive, sincere, at mapagmahal na tao. And syempre kasama ko din si Alice, si Angela. And yun, so abangan niyo po ang mangyayari.
How does it feel naman na parang yun nga, sunod-sunod yung naging blessings mo, naging recording artist, tapos ngayon ito may bagong show.
Up until now, I still feel overwhelmed sa lahat na nangyayari, honestly. But I'm very thankful kay Lord and I'm very thankful sa managements ko, sa stages, sa TV5, sa MediaQuest. And also, I'm very thankful din sa Viva kasi they gave me a chance for me to portray the role for Seducing Drake Palma. And yun, syempre, may pressure din na kailangan kong tapatan or kailangan tapatan yung galing din ng yung husay ng ng mga co-actors ko and mga directors. So, yun. My responsibility is to just give my best, do my best parate sa craft ko.
Okay, what's next to do naman after this? After doing this?
After this, doing Seducing Drake. Well, syempre, hopefully, magkaroon ako ng... Well, my dream is to have a movie. Kahit maging part lang ng movie and kahit di naman sobrang lead role, basta maging part lang ako ng movie. And yun, sana magtuloy-tuloy yung mga projects para at least yun, mas madami ako mapasayang tao, mas madami kami mapasayang tao.
For you, ano yung ideal role mo? Anong gusto mo gawin?
Ideal role? Gusto ko, ang dream roles ko talaga, dalawa eh. Isa, maging bida sa isang romance na movie or series. Pangalawa is anything action related. Kasi ako personally mahilig ako mag-sports. So very physically active. So feel ko kaya ko naman like yung mga training, yung mga kung ano ng galawan.
Siyempre, merong partner ko. Meron ka bang gusto makakollab or partner sa film or movie?
Maka-collabs, siguro din ako lalayo. Yung mga Viva artists na naka-work ko. And siguro, any naman sa kanila kasi lahat naman po sila magagaling. And feel ko lahat naman sila magkiklik kami. So,
Okay,
yun.
showbiz ka.
Showbiz crush. Ever since po, si Ann Curtis. Ever since. Ano po?
Kasi ang ganda rin ng
Yes po. Well, first of all, I'm very thankful again sa GMA sa binigyan ng opportunity, and yun nga, it's a bit challenging for me to transition, but again, I'm very just thankful, and si Lord naman yung nag-guide sa akin sa lahat ng decisions ko. And yun, siguro the reason why is yun nga, may mga offers sila, and yun, may mga opportunities din, and na ang hirap din na tanggihan. So yun. I'm very thankful for both networks and
details naman dun sa
Universal Records. Meron actually, my first single was released on April 5 and it's called Maghapon, so stream nyo po. Pero meron po akong na-record na second single. Hopefully it would be released next month or very soon. Abangan niyo po yun.
message mo sa mga fans niyo sana pakiligin pa rin.
Message ko sa mga fans namin and sa lahat ng fans noon and up until now, sana po supportan niyo po ako, and sa lahat ng nagsusupport pa rin, thank you, and sana kahit anong mangyari, andito lang din ako para sa inyo lahat. And sana mag fans club meeting or mag get together para at least maka-bonding ko kayong lahat. Yun lang, maraming salamat po.
Nasa reaction mo hindi ka
Siyempre, it was difficult for me, pero yun nga si Lord na bahala sa lahat ng decisions ko. I'm very thankful na may mga times talaga na siguro may redirection, but I just have to look at it at a positive side parate. And ayun, I'm very thankful na sa lahat ng naniniwala sa akin and sa lahat ng naniniwala sa akin. Yun lang.
congratulations and
Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Thank you.
Congrats,
Salamat.
Dylan.
Thank you po. Salamat.